we discuss about finance and investments. Today we'll be talking about how to invest in cryptocurrency in 2024. Up arrow looking to invest in cryptocurrency? It's essential to know where to buy and store it. Crypto investing is becoming more accessible every day with a number of exchanges, similar to those used for traditional investments, available. You can set up an account in minutes. But just like investing in any asset, doing your research on a particular currency prior to investing may be wise. If you're wondering how to invest in cryptocurrency for the first time, the following 5 steps can get you started. Choose what cryptocurrency to invest in. Select a cryptocurrency exchange, explore storage and digital wallet options. Decide how much to invest. Manage your investments. Choose what cryptocurrency to invest in. In the same way that you'd evaluate the potential risks and financial health of a company before buying its stock. You'll want to understand and carefully evaluate the different, unique characteristics of each cryptocurrency you're considering for investment. You may choose to invest in one or several different cryptocurrencies. Vetting. Cryptocurrencies can be more difficult because they have become a popular vehicle for fraud, such as pump and dump schemes. Those risks might leave you wondering how to invest in cryptocurrency without falling victim to a scam. In order to avoid pump and dump schemes, avoid smaller, newer cryptos that are being heavily promoted on social media platforms. It's critical to analyze the investment risk of a given cryptocurrency, and social media experts may not have your best interest in mind. Although you may be able to minimize your exposure to fraud and cybersecurity risk by investing through a large, reputable platform, because the whole industry isn't regulated, it's impossible to eliminate this risk. For example, in 2022, we learned FTX, which was formerly considered a reputable platform, was being run by bad actors who misappropriated clients' funds. And on November 2nd, 2023, its founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, was found guilty of fraud and money laundering. Select a cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency must be bought through an exchange or investment platform such as Coinbase, Gemini, or Kraken. Some factors you may wish to consider when selecting an exchange are security, fees, the volume of trading, minimum investment requirements, and the types of cryptocurrency available for purchase on a given exchange. Consider storage and digital wallet options. Cryptocurrency is completely digital, which means you should have a digital place to keep your coins safe. One choice is to keep them on the same platform where you're investing. Nowadays, many new cryptocurrency investors prefer this method. Just make sure you pick a platform that will be responsible for custody and safekeeping of your assets. Such platforms are regulated, have strong protection against hackers and online threats, and carry financial insurance. If you choose not to hold your cryptocurrency on the more popular platforms, you'll need a crypto wallet. These hold the private keys that allow you to access your crypto by unlocking the digital identity that is associated with your ownership, recorded on the blockchain. You can opt for either a hot or cold digital wallet. A hot wallet is accessible via the internet and generally more convenient. A cold wallet is a physical storage device, much like a USB drive, that keeps your cryptocurrency keys completely offline and generally more secure. Holding your cryptocurrency in a wallet provides an extra layer of protection. Decide how much to invest. Just like any investment, the amount you choose to put into crypto will depend on many factors, such as your budget, risk tolerance, and investing strategy. You'll also want to consider any minimum investment requirements and transaction costs, which vary across crypto exchanges. If you want to invest in a cryptocurrency with a high value per coin, most exchanges allow you to invest on a dollar basis rather than buying a whole coin. This means you don't need a huge amount of money to invest in something like Bitcoin. Focus on the total amount of money you want to invest rather than the number of coins you want to buy. And always remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. At Stash, we recommend holding no more than 2% of your overall portfolio in any one crypto in order to limit crypto-specific risks. Manage your investments. Cryptocurrency is a unique investment because it can be used to buy things and can also be held as a long-term investment. How you manage your crypto holdings depends on your investing strategy and goals. You may wish to consider applying the stash way, a philosophy focused on regular investing, diversification, and investing for the long term. What to consider before investing in cryptocurrency up arrow? Cryptocurrency can be volatile, with large swings in value over short periods of time, which may give you pause if you're risk averse. Keep in mind that anyone can launch a cryptocurrency, and how it's regulated is in flux, so it's vital to thoroughly vet any possible investments to avoid scams. You may also find it helpful to consider why you want to invest in crypto. Are you looking to follow and cash in on a trend, or do you have a thought-out strategy in mind? Remember, there is no such thing as an easy way to make a lot of money without risk, so it's important to never invest in anything with the belief that you can't lose. Use caution and be clear about your intentions and expectations beforehand. You should only consider cryptocurrency as an investment if you believe in its long-term prospects and are willing to ride out large price swings. When you invest, it's critically important to take a long-term perspective. This is especially true for things like cryptocurrencies, which can quickly go up or down in value. When investing in highly volatile assets, it's easy to make the mistake of letting emotions drive your decisions, such as buying when the price is rising in fear of missing out or selling out when prices go down. These emotional decisions usually aren't good for your investments. Don't forget to subscribe to our Rose Finance for more coming contents.